NorthBay Academy helped me because, like, I used to get in trouble a lot, and that's when, like, I've been going through stuff, like, in my lifetime, you feel me? I ain't had no mother in the picture, you know what I'm saying? So it just been me and my father, for real, for real. So, like, when I came to NorthBay Academy, it was, like, a good experience and changed my life for real. Changed my life around. Started getting good grades, passing all my classes, stuff like that. What I'm going to take away from NorthBay is the respect. Learning how to act yourself. Don't be afraid to ask somebody that you need help. Don't never say that you can't. Try your best. Be real, just act yourself for real. That's all it is though. Like, you don't gotta lie just to hang around people. Like, be yourself. Just tell the truth at all times. Have manners, be respectful for real, because people gonna look at you and say, oh yeah, that's a cool guy. And they're gonna respect you. So one day in life, you always gotta earn your respect before you give it. Come to NorthBay because it's a good experience and they change your life around. Like the stuff that they tell you is true. Like getting in trouble and stuff is not good, bro. I'm telling you. NorthBay is a good place to go to. It changed life around. It's a good experience. Got zip line, giant swing, big bonfires and stuff like that. It's cool for real. Like, it's a nice little place to go to. Shout out my man, Mr. Dizzle, you feel me? The whole NorthBay Academy. Miss Jackie, love you, sis. Miss Nikki, love you, sis. My uncle, Mr. Dizzle, that's a guy. I'm telling you, that's a guy. Frizzle, light skin, that's a guy, shout the whole NorthBay for real. Shout out the whole NorthBay.